Hello. How are you? In this video, I am going to discuss the shocking breaking news for print on demand. The top two giants in print on demand, which are Printify and Printful, announced publicly that they are merging. And we can read the details here. These are the websites for Printify and Printful. If you are not aware, Printful was founded in 2013 and they are widely known to POD sellers as a pioneer in production fulfillment services in print on demand. Their variety of POD products are well known for their quality for the right price and trusted by millions of POD sellers globally. Meanwhile, Printify was founded in 2015. Just like Printful, they have good quality products and cheap prices. Printify is well known for selling customized products due to a wide selection of over 1,000 POD products. They are informing sellers that they can get the best of both because Printify and Printful have many production facilities and printing partners globally. They are going to combine their products and technology and can sell to customers in more places in less time because of their multiple printing facilities in more places. This is beneficial for the print-on-demand sellers to expand their business. These are the CEO of Printify and Printful. They posted this merger news on November 5th. Both platforms will continue to operate as separate brands. By joining forces as equal partners and combining their technology capabilities and resources. This is the best part, which is beneficial for all print-on-demand sellers. They are trying to close the deal officially in the next couple of weeks. They also mentioned to stay tuned for updates in the coming weeks. I think that the majority of POD sellers are going to wait for this update in order to learn all the new benefits from this merger. What are your thoughts on these? Share it in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.